In 2019, San Jose International Airport moved 15.7 million passengers through its facilities. To keep those passengers safe, the airport houses its aircraft rescue and firefighting personnel in Station 20. The facility is home to customized and innovative fire equipment and rigs that are equipped to respond to the rescue of passengers and crew of aircraft involved in accidents. Having the ARF facility and trained firefighters on site is crucial to protecting our passengers and employees. Their prompt arrival to the scene is paramount to saving the lives of passengers and crew on board an aircraft. Since this ARF facility's opening in 1963, the San Jose Fire Department has been an integral part of airport operations. The new facility will allow us to grow into the new technology and new firefighting equipment necessary to keep our passengers safe. The facility will be relocated on the west side of the airport. It is critical that we invest in infrastructure that allows us to keep our airport users safe now and well into the future.
The new Fire Station 20 will allow for fire department response off of the airfield. This will protect the 16 million people that travel through the airport and are in and around the airfield throughout the year. Additionally, the ability to respond outside of the airfield will support very busy areas of town, for example, the downtown core and freeway areas as well. I'm most excited to provide a fire station to our firefighters that meets the professional demands that they confront on a daily basis, where they can train, prepare, and respond both on the airfield and throughout the community serving our residents.
The current design was developed through a collaborative effort of the fire department, the City of San Jose Public Works Department, the airport. It really takes, as with any capital project, especially this one this big, a collaborative effort between everybody that has a stake in it to make sure that it works for everybody at the end of the day, and it also works for the community. What's important to us as an organization is to not only build beautiful and long-lasting and efficiently operated projects, but it's also just as important to engage our community in the construction of those projects. So the money that goes into that construction can funnel through our community and create greater opportunities. We have construction academies that we've created to educate local contractors on how to participate more in our projects. And again, it's something that's extremely important to us to engage our local community and our small businesses, especially in the construction of our projects. We are on a pretty aggressive schedule. Most projects this size and this complicated with the multiple partners take a lot longer, and so the team is pushing really hard to finish on time in early 2022.
Many decades ago, we made a decision as a city to grow up rather than out. But it also means densifying here in our core, building out major transit systems that will support an urban, growing population. Station 20 is coming online in a couple years. Just as much of this development will be happening in the downtown, when we're going to have thousands of new residents, new workers, and this is going to be critical to help us keep everyone safe.
This specific airport improvement project will importantly ensure that we keep our firefighters safe. The men and women who run into danger instead of running away from it need modern spaces and equipment in order to protect the public and themselves. I supported this federal investment since it makes Silicon Valley's airport safer and more effective for travelers and first responders. I'll continue to support funding that builds up capacity at Mineta Airport, and I want to thank all the airport officials, the first responders, and the public officials who paved the way for this virtual groundbreaking.
I've spent most of my career in our city delivering capital improvement projects, and I can tell you it truly takes a partnership with the different departments within our city. And without that collaboration between those departments, we won't have a successful project. And I'm happy to say that our city has a track record of collaborating between departments and really delivering strong projects that benefit our community.
SJC is our connection to the rest of the world. It's an important center for employment, and of course, it's a critical economic driver to enable the commerce of Silicon Valley to benefit from our exposure to the rest of the world. So we need to continue to invest in this airport, to shine this jewel. And I look forward in my remaining time here as mayor and doing everything we can, whether it's through Station 20, ensuring we have safety for all of our passengers, or through expansion of the airport terminal. We're going to continue to invest as we look to the future for our airport.